Bangsolong World Cancer Day Surini Rankorapho Kitaman. Nihang Karbi Baptist Association Phong Pharoi Sira Gripli Mahang Kithek Arani Kitalon. National Crime Investigation Commission of India Potumpen Patirpi Ponsi Chitimalan Kironpon. KarbiAnglongLIVE adaba birta long peneli sami beauty bipi pine birtang ton pen arjuponitha. Thang ni phai clear ni Assam Cancer Care Foundation Dipu Medical College and Hospital tumpen patirpi ponsi somindara dang cancer kiso arani kitalon pen pachetonsi wagathon biponlo. La solong Dipu Athletic Group Dipu Government College student lapen DMCH Dr. Tum Chirabdonsi World Cancer Day surihni rankora phomen pen wagathon ki bi mesen pen pachun ponlo. Let's walk a step ahead of cancer buat PNC. Ada por pai troxia por pen Dipu Medical College and Hospital along pen wagathon mate armu chijeng pangchengsi kasa stadium along palidamlo. Lapen tovar suding cancer ki sopen kichipa jok thek japhan tovar along kache tongara lapen hithi kular along ki do bang phu bang phia tumaphan ki pache talong pi pajer tekang. Dr. Vizukhoto Pesau lapen Dr. Rengmir Sorong hang pia tumpen phirangkia tumaphan ki pachinia tengke cancer ki so jongsi ki so chelang da prang lipute ki me un edaji lapukali sita cancer ki so pu kache phiriat ki du ko jo se ke langa hem ki da yer pena joksi ki sung chitong nang ko du kok tilo na si cancer ki so phan phire rera ki so ang the ki long pen se ka chelang phijia phan si KarbiAnglong ara phan pachini pon.
Ini program doiklo ini arni ke World Cancer Day 4th February World Cancer Day mane kadukawe World Cancer Day pirthiang nongsi mane laso arni kitalon lake World Cancer Day pu laso bosor athipi ke United by Unique pu angke nilitum laso a program awareness program nilitum ke organize ke walkathon from nilitum medical college pen dak kasa stadium an nilitum bang walkathon organize lo nilitum lo nang chirap to iklo alang tum handa choro iklo mane lasa short notice pen nilitum long nang support system pen nilitum long pini nang pali do iklo and
for coming today. Today is World Cancer Day. 4th February is recognized as World Cancer Day. So along with the rest of the world, Assam Cancer Care Foundation is organizing, observing this event across various districts of Assam. So we have decided to have this walkathon today. So today we had a walkathon from Dipu Medical College till stadium to create awareness about cancer, early detection, and diagnosis and treatment. So majority of the patient they come at a very late stage where the cancer is not curable. So actually, if the patient comes at the early stage, the cancer is curable. So I would like to pass on the message to the people of Karbi.
Bangsolong Dr. Vizukhoto Pesau Clinical Oncologist Deep Cancer Center Assam Cancer Care Foundation Professor Dr. Sumitra Hagjar Principal DMCH Dr. Rengmir Sorong Hangpi Dentist Assam Cancer Care Foundation Rebecca Tarunpi District Coordinator Assam Cancer Care Foundation Amarjit Tiso District Program Manager NHM Nandan C. Barua District Program Coordinator NHM Kharsing Terang Maipu KarbiAnglong Mountaineering Association Pokhila TP Secretary of Dipu Athletic Group Atumche Tongdunsi Mission Pen World Cancer Day Surini Rankorapho Kitalong Pichumpon. News Report KarbiAnglongLIVE. NKBA ke parlo amondoli tinalongta pharo isira krip liaphong nihang Karbi Baptist Association mahang kithek arni talon ponang jipu NKBA kitoyateng amondoli tinalong tame kitalon ponasonsi NLB ke alongri Recho Milia mondoli lapen number si chukihola mondoli along tame talon ponlo Kidamtang Parokriser Kebra Chris Sianingkan Dehori Langmang Chirok Ingtiarong along Sem Hansia Tumpena Joksi Nilip Ahobhapu Kicheng Sia Phong Padoponlo Lasopen Wang Bomsi Hobhamen Jokta Kicheng Si Ke Nilip Ahobhapu Si Irpon Pangchinglo Lasopen Si Non Kedo Nihang Karbi Baptist Association Poamen Nang Chilonglo Lapen pining suri ni rain kora phuan ke pharoi sira kriplian arta nang choksi NKBA mondoli aphaita pharoi sira in kora sian churches am nang plengsi arkoni phai pli an ke pharoi sira kripli NKBA Foundation Day NKBA mai phu Dr Reverend Solomon Rongpi lapen Executive Secretary Reverend Tenson Bepen Pinkhat Ponsi pharoi sira in kora sia churches mondoli tinsi NKBA alama athike flag hosting mate lama pangjar ponlo Lason Taksi NLB ke alongri ke parlo mondoli Rechomili Baptist lapen number si chokiola mondoli along tame lamain thursi NKBA mahang ke thekani talon ponlo Rechomili mondoli a pastor joining ti penja ponsi arnamalam epot purhi pen arnam kardom pensi posupo karjong kang thiramen pen lama pangjar dunlo lapen aphi kongchun bang bhupen teron pen ajo NKBA Parokriser Kebra Chris Si pen non an atheke surihini rain kora pho an phurkimo purhi ponsi kachetong arat aphan klardak pen than ponno lapen kar litang tumaphan condolences prayer jokta deng ponsi chikimo ponsi NKBA pharoi sira krepli foundation de jaimek mission pen pachun ponlonglo lama pangjar det pen kachetong arat an pen sajun ponlin si mai pajut ponlong pamilo Lason Taksi number si Chokiola mondoli along tame Pastor Wesley Rongpi penajok arnama men en pen lamain thurponlo aphi thu kongchun bang Jacob tiso penajok NKBA akphurkimo parjuponlo bangsolong abarim pastor horening ti pen chenglok mondoli keja nimarli keja lapen risoi jang keja tumche tongdunsi mission pen jaimek pichun ponlo Chokiola pen Sonjit Kro KarbiAnglongLIVE National Crime Investigation Commission of India tumpen tikok tiki Amerika vie tumaphan chiti malan lapen pikar om kirona sai kideng Sonsi Jaime Kalong Joint Director Mukhim Rongpi Assistant Joint Director Komol Timong President Rajan Timong Secretary Gobind Terang VP Rajkumar Thakur Office Secretary Ganga Singh Narpi lapen ari sangho tumpen chirap chitu dunsi bangso Jaimek mission pen pachunpong Sonsi yalangi tumpen kaningji ponatengke kiwang jilangani ansose kiduk kilak tikok tikia tumaphan kirapajir ponthuji pusi alangi tumpen chithan pong Sangti dipen projenterang KarbiAnglongLIVE Guwahati RIT Alchiringalong thangthang ni phai hiniarni ke padopon Battle of the Band Rock of Phoenix salong KarbiAnglong pen armored benatum chipati dunsi ke chengsianong e kachipalong dun Kidamta por pentame armored benatum along chipati dun bomsi nong e kachipalong dun tame dolo Lason si surihini rain kora ke thom aningkan music ahin aning ke hangpik bangtro tum chilangsi armored band sengdo Lason si thangthang ni phai hiniarni Guwahati IIT Alchiringalong kapidopon Rock o Phoenix along tami chipati dunsi ke chengsianong e chipalong dunlo Armored band along Jermin Hansepi vocalist Jatin Inti lead guitarist Bordili Terang bassist Sambit Sharma drummer Jugesh Singnar rhythm guitarist lapen Rajesh Rongbongkro band manager pusi Chini Pong News report KarbiAnglongLIVE Pinia birta ke lapansi kang ton poniglo kardo